Hey everyone, welcome back to Fun Tech Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Proscenic P10 cordless stick vacuum. We're going to be doing an unboxing and full review. We will be looking at some of its key features as well as its cons and pros, and as well as doing numerous tests with the Proscenic P10. I should mention before we start this video that this vacuum was sent to me for free to review. As with all my reviews and tests, all my tests are genuine and show real-world results. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what's inside. Let's show a little bit about the box first. As you can see, it just says Proscenic P10 cordless vacuum. On the front, it just kind of shows the unit itself. On the side are some specs. Same with the other side here, just some information. And that's about it. So pretty plain box, but let's go ahead and get this open.
Yeah. Bring you home. Yeah, come on. 특별했던 나를 와빠기게 한 건 너. 나를 거울 앞에서 서성이게 만들어버린 너. 예전엔 화장도 안 하고 대충 입던 나인데 이젠 어울리는 옷에 관심이 더 생겼어. 너에게 잘 보이려 하더라고. 뭘 입을까 고민을 하는 나. 예뻐지고 싶어. 너를 처음 본 순간 나만 보게 하고 싶어. 다른 곳은 보지 마. 예뻐지고 싶어. 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게 예뻐지고 싶어. 친구들이 나보고 변했다고 말을 하면 나를 비웃겨. 근데 나도 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어. 너 때문에 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어. 예뻐져라 예뻐져. 너만 내게 빠져들 수 있게 예뻐져 예뻐져. 예뻐져라 예뻐져. 그 누구도 다가올 수 없게 예뻐져. Yes, 지금도 네 모습 자꾸 떠올라. 너를 만나러 가고 싶은데 예뻐지고 싶어. 너를 처음 본 순간 나만 보게 하고 싶어. 다른 곳은 보지 마. 예뻐지고 싶어. 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게 예뻐지고 싶어. 뚜루뚜 보다 완벽하게 너를 갖고 싶어. 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게. 오늘도 널 만나러 갈 생각에 너무 가슴이 떨려오는 걸. 널 만나면 무슨 말을 또 어떤 표정을 지어야 할까 고민이 돼. 예뻐지고 싶어. 너를 처음 본 순간 나만 보게 하고 싶어. 다른 곳은 보지 마. 예뻐지고 싶어. 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게 예뻐지고 싶어. 너를 처음 본 순간 나만 보게 하고 싶어. 다른 곳은 보지 마. 예뻐지고 싶어. 더 빠져들도록 다른 사람이 오지 못하게 예뻐지고 싶어.
Alright, so that was just a quick unboxing. I decided to speed it up since I've already uploaded an unboxing video. The battery of this P10 vacuum cleaner is detachable, which enables you to double the cleaning time if you purchase a spare battery. Powered by an advanced brushless motor rotating with a high speed of 110,000 RPM, the P10 cordless vacuum generates 22,000 pascals of suction in max mode. With 22,000 pascals of suction power, you can clean every corner of your house in addition to dust in the garage. Powered by a 2200 mAh battery, the lithium-ion battery to deliver fade-free suction for up to 45 minutes. There are many suction speeds for this cordless vacuum. Max mode will work for about 25 minutes, and low speed mode works for about 45 minutes or longer. Thanks to the design of the multi-layer filter system, the cordless vacuum can filter 99% of the microorganisms in the air, as the high density and compact components can filter out not only large dirt, but also small dusts. The rotating brush head of this cordless vacuum is rotatable and flexible. This enables the vacuum to rotate in 90 degrees on the front side and 180 degrees in the left and right side. It makes it easy to clean the hard to reach places like under the bed, couch, and more. One great feature of the rotating brush head is it has 4 LED lights for use on all hard floors and carpets. The main unit display is very easy to use. Modes and switches can be easily controlled by touching the main unit display. You can easily see the battery level and if there is a failure code. The 4 modes can be switched freely to enable quick dust removal and can be used for household cleaning and various needs. Next, let's take a look at some of the Amazon reviews. As you can see, it has a 4.4 out of 5 stars. As you can see, the reviews are mostly positive. I've noticed just a couple people complaining about the battery life on this vacuum. However, it's not a big factor as it quickly recharges. So next I want to show you how well it does on hardwood floors with various types of debris. I laid down some salt, some basil, and some Rice Krispie treats, pretzels, and some dog food. It did very well in its low power setting. Next, I took it into the master bedroom and laid down a bunch of dog food to test its carpet pickup ability. I was very impressed with how well it did on carpet. As you can see, it had no problem picking up all the dog food on the floor with just one pass. It did very well. Sometimes it would kick out a little bit of dog food if the roller got too full, but again, this was kind of a real-world stress test on this vacuum. I think it did very well, though. Let me know what you guys think. The handheld suction tube came in handy as well. It did very well in picking up all the debris with just lightly passing around. One thing I wanted to show you guys was this other brush roll that comes with the vacuum, which does good for pet hair. I wanted to test it on my chair here just to see how well it would do picking up all the pet hair. As you can see, it does pretty well. I did have to adjust a little bit just to kind of get it to seal a little bit better on the chair. It does take some getting used to kind of get the right angle for it to seal fully onto the chair or the surface. But once I got it to work, it worked very well and cleaned up the chair quite nicely. After doing this for about 5 minutes, as you can see, the chair looks a lot better. I really am impressed. So the big question, should you buy the Proscenic P10? In my honest opinion, I think this is a great vacuum, especially for pet hair and deep cleaning carpets. It's very easy to clean. It comes with a wall mount for the battery. It also does very well with various types of debris, as well as smaller debris on hard floors. It's very light and easy to use, very easy to move up and down stairs. So I would recommend buying this product just because of the fact it's super easy to use, super light, super easy to put together, super easy to clean, does very well with various types of debris, does very well with pet hair, which is probably one of the biggest things that I like about it. And it's just super nice and colorful. I like the blue. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. I will leave a link in the description to purchase this vacuum as well as a promo code. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Twitter to stay up to date with new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.